leaving home on the 3rd of August, 5:45 in the morning. Got a 6 a.m. start at the BRC range at Thomas Nelson Community College. It's still dark. Not really a fan of driving in the dark, but I know in the next few minutes the sun will start to come up and the sky will lighten and my ride will be wonderful on the way to Thomas Nelson. So early mornings are my favourite time to ride my motorcycle here in the summer. The weather is relatively cool. I think it's about 75 degrees at the moment. As you can see behind you, the sky is starting to lighten and it just looks beautiful. So for the 3-day BRC class this weekend, we have 10 students, age range from 19 years old to 60. We have 3 females and 7 males. A very diverse group of age groups and ethnicities. The people who want to learn to ride are a complete cross-section of society. We have one university student who is studying to be a doctor. We have the oldest guy, he is retired. We have ex-military. We have a couple of other students. So it's a very wide cross-section. So in the classroom section of the BRC, which we did last night between 6 and 9 p.m, I always ask to begin with who's ridden a motorcycle before, and 2 people held up their hand, and one of them said it was a long time ago, and the other one said dirt bikes. So we have a complete class of novices. Now, complete novices are generally a little easier to teach in the first section of the range portion of the BRC because they don't have any bad habits. But on the other side of that, complete novices tend to be very nervous and scared in the beginning, and we always try to put them at their ease and ease into the riding of the motorcycle. So here I am pulling into the car parking area of Thomas Nelson Community College. It's still very dark, but I can see well enough. I'm going to ride across the range. I'm going to park my Indian chieftain next to one of the containers, sort of that straight between those 2 cones that I put up last night. And then I am going to open up the storage units and set up for this morning, and I hope my colleague and partner gets here pretty soon so I have a little help. And on with the BRC. Here you can see the range. Here is where we're starting to set the motorcycles up. That has all the motorcycles. We always put more motorcycles out than we actually need for the students. That gives the students a choice of motorcycles.